Let's learn the names of fruits and vegetables in English. Apple. I eat an apple every morning. Banana. Bananas are yellow and sweet. Grapes. We buy grapes at the market. Watermelon. Watermelons are juicy and fresh. Orange. She drinks orange juice every day. Mango. Mango is my favorite fruit. Pineapple. I like pineapple on pizza. Strawberry. Strawberries are red and sweet. Kiwi. Kiwis have green flesh inside. Peach. Peaches are soft and juicy. Pear. This pear is soft and sweet. Carrot. I eat raw carrots as a snack. Broccoli. Broccoli is good for your health. Cucumber. I add cucumber to my salad. Onion. Chop the onion before cooking. Mushroom. I don't like mushrooms on my pizza. Potato. We are making mashed potatoes. Tomato. I like tomatoes in sandwiches. Lettuce. Lettuce is used in burgers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.